Hello everyone, I'm Laureate Professor Marilyn Fleer from Monash University. I'm heading up an international research team who is exploring the areas of imagination in play and imagination in science, engineering and technologies. Our international team is focused around three areas. One is to explore children's thinking longitudinally from infants through to the early years of school. A second dimension is the exploration of how families create the conditions that are positive towards the thinking and learning of science, engineering and technology concepts. And thirdly, we are exploring impact study around an evidence-based model of the teaching of conceptual play in preschools. Those three pillars of research are brought together in a way where imagination in science, engineering and technologies and imagination in play are explored as part of our research. We've been particularly inspired by researchers, eminent scientists in particular, who've changed the course of their respective fields and where we've noted that imagination has been particularly important. For instance, thought experiments by Michael Faraday around electricity and magnetism, visualization of big ideas by Stephen Hawking, and the really important work that was done by Barbara McClintock in genetics, where she imagined herself going down a microscope and looking at the genetic structure and at the same time thinking about the cornfields that she was actually tending as part of her research. So these wonderful inspirational people used imagination, worked with contradiction, theoretical contradiction, and engaged in modelling and thought experiments in such a way that imagination was really, really important. We think, as part of our research, our early research that we've done, that imagination in play is foundational to that kind of work that eminent scientists have done in the past and continue to do in the future. And so our research really examines this interplay between imagination in science, engineering and technology and imagination in play. And we've called this work Conceptual Play, and it's part of our Conceptual Play Lab.